Hello friends, welcome to Csharp Space. Today in this video session we will discuss about how to upload files with progress bar in ASP.NET Core. So let's start. We open our Visual Studio. Here I already create a one blank project for ASP.NET Core with MVC pattern. So this contain the defaults, controllers and views that already created while we choosing MVC template. So first of all, we need to add one API controller. So I am choosing here and here choose API, then empty API controller, then add it, and I'm rename it like a file upload. Then click on add button. Then this will add a one blank API project API controller. So first of all, we need to add one more namespaces for input output file operations system.io, and then now we add one method for uploading files. So I will add it here, and we also need to specify the hosting environment for accessing the current path. So I am choosing here it's a private I hosting environment, I hosting environment. We need to add namespace for this. Press control dot. It's using ASP.NET Core dot hosting, and then its environment. We write a variable name here, and then I'm getting a constructor for this. It's a file upload controller, and then I'm choose a I hosting parameters. It's the environment, and then we initialize this variable equal to environment. Now we create a one method for uploading the file from the client. So I create one method for this. So public Ajax result, and then upload files. Now I also change their root like root. We can specify their name. So upload files, and this we decorate this as HTTP post. Now first of all we create the directory. Create directory, and setting a path equal to path dot combine, then this dot environment dot web root path. We find the current web root path in this project. The current web root path is this www root, and then we create our folder name. It's like uploads slash, and then we check if directories exist or not. If directory dot exist, we pass here path, then direct dot create direct, then here we pass the path, then we fetch the file, like using form data for fetching the file from client side. It's iForm file, like posted file is equal to request dot dot form, and here we get our file name, like file name plus path dot get extension. Like here I'm taking a file name from client side, means the client enter the file name and then we append it here. You can use your GUID or same file name as per your need. So I'm getting here extension of the uploaded file, posted file dot file name. Now we save the file. One thing is missing here. We firstly here we set get a file from the form data. So I'm writing here it's a request dot form dot files. It's like I'm uploading a single file, so this file will be on index 0. And then here I'm using the file name, it's a file name now we save the file, it's using file stream is equal to new file stream, then we path dot combine and then here we pass a path and the file name, then here we choose the file access type, it's a file mode, so file mode will be create. Now we copy the posted file dot copy to node copy to the stream. Now we send the response, like send OK response to the client, a response to the client, return OK, then return as a file name. Now this API is completed. So now we go to our next part, where we create one views. We create some HTML controls, and then we consume this API for uploading the files on the server. Now go to our view, this home index. We use this index. So I already create HTML for this. Now we simply copy this HTML, paste it here. So this simple tables, a name, file name, and this the file upload control. This is the upload button. There it is written upload, and this is the HTML5 progress bar, which are displaying the current progress. And this script we using for jQuery, and this for message after file is completed. So first of all, we write a script for jQuery Ajax method to upload the file and call the API that we already created into this file upload controller. So we write it here. It's a script, and then dollar dollar, and then like write here body dot on. And here we set like click event, and then we write here this ptn id means on click of this button, and then we created functions for this. So where form data is equal to new form data, and then form data dot append file name. File name is here. So add is this. So we set the file name here. File name, and this is their id dot web, and we have append one more thing. It's file, id is this file, and there is index 0, and then dot of files is 0. Now we writing Ajax method. It's dollar dot Ajax, and then here we're providing their URLs API slash our controller name. Our controller name is this. It's a file upload slash our method name. It's uploaded files, and then we set their type it post, and then we send their data is form data, and then like we set cache will be false. We set their spelling names, and then content type will be false, and then process data equal to false, and then on success we call this function it's a file name, set their file name into this dollar file progress this progress bar id dot hide, and then lbl message dot html. We set the html in bold, we set it. It's a file name, has been uploaded. Now we set str is XML HTTP response. It's XH or XML HTTP request, and we set it as a function. Then where file xhr equal to dollar dot Ajax settings dot xhr if file xhr dot upload then dollar progress dot show, then progress bar will be display, and then file xhr dot upload dot add event listener. Here we set progress. Progress is a function. Here we pass one element parameter. Now if e dot length computable, if dot length computable, then dollar dot file progress. So file progress dot attribute its value. We set value and e dot loaded and then max e dot total and if it is not floated, then we can set this as a false and then we return if this not execute, then we return here we return XML HTTP request. It's a file xstr, means here we return value of this variable. Now we run this application, so I am pressing Ctrl F5 to run this application without debugging. So this is the home index. Here we upload like this image and we name it as like any name, like a file name, and then click on upload. This is not going to any effect. We again check the code. I think here we forget a hash because this is the ID of this control. Again save this and again refresh and again choose this application. Here like we set wallpaper, then click on upload. Now the wallpaper.jpg has been uploaded. So now we check, we go to our this in Explorer and here we open this contain the uploaded image. So this is the complete process for how to upload a image with the progress bar in ASP.NET Core. So if you have any questions, any problems, please write in comment box. I will reply soon. So if you like my videos, please click on subscribe button and for getting latest updates. Also click on notification bell. So thanks for watching. We will meet in next video session.